Okay, so here's how you're gonna do this on your phone, smartphone. So I've logged into WAMAP already on the smartphone. So this is actually the WAMAP page. This is the practice quiz work upload. So I'm going to select that, practice quiz work upload. That's going to open up. I'm going to go down. It says continue assessment. So I'm going to start that. And then go down to the question, and it has all these choose file options, page 1 all the way through 10 pages. So I only used 2 pages on the answers, showing all my work on the notebook. So I'm going to hit, I'm going to choose a file. I've got 2 files that I have to upload, 2 pages. So I select choose a file, then this says camera. So I'm going to select the one that says camera. Choose an action. And now it just gives me my camera is live. I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to try and keep the shadow of the camera off the work, and then I just click take a picture of the work. And on my camera, once I take a picture, it shows me what I've got a picture of, and it says retry or OK. And actually there's a shadow in the middle of it. So I'm going to hit retry because there's a shadow on the right here. So I'm going to move this page because it didn't really turn out as well as I liked. And so now I'm going to try it again. I'm going to hit take the picture. And now I'm going to hit yes, OK. That one turned out all right. Very little shadow. And there let's see, let me make sure you can see this. It puts there's super long number that's the name of the JPEG file in there. And that was page 1. Now I'm going to hit choose file for page 2. I'll hit choose file. I'm going to hit camera. Again, select camera. I'm going to turn the page. And this isn't as full of a page of work, but it has some work there on the top. I guess I can hold that. And then I'll again take the camera over the top of that. Try and fill the screen of the camera with the page, so I want that to be as big as possible in the camera lens. And then I hit OK. Take the picture. It looks good. Hit OK. And there's page 2. So it's got both page 1 and page 2. I don't know if you can see that very well. Page 1 and page 2 both have the file where it says no file chosen. There is a file name there. Now you have to go down to the bottom, and you see the blue that says submit question. You have to hit submit question. Now this takes a while. You can see it kind of turns a shadow there. It takes quite a while, so you just have to wait until that can submit the question. If you have a couple pictures, that takes quite a bit of memory, so it will take a while before that's ready. And that's it. You can just do 2 of them or more. Okay?